Tom from 12 Tomatoes. Today we are making a pineapple dream bar. It's made normally with graham cracker crumbs, but we're making it with Nilla wafers and a beautiful white chocolate cream cheese filling. Woo-hoo, baby! Let's get into it. Look at those layers. The white chocolate cream cheese filling, the Nilla wafer crumb, the top crushed pineapple, and Cool Whip mixture. Eat this with a spoon, but I'm going in with my hands, baby.
12 tomatoes.